welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I used a brand new palette from Colourpop, and this is the look that I created. I wanted to go for something super natural and wearable, so if you want to see how I achieved this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up at the end if you like what you see, and make sure that you are subscribed to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our content. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is grabbing my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I'm just going to use this as an eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. And then I'm going to blend it out with a damp beauty sponge and then set everything in place with translucent powder just to make blending eyeshadows a little bit smoother. So this is the new palette from Colourpop. It's called Little Ray of Sunshine, and I love the packaging. I think it's super cute. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just really love all of Colourpop's products, and you've seen me use a bunch of their other palettes, but this is their newest one, and it has all matte eyeshadows, which I really like because sometimes you don't want to work with glitters or pigments, or you don't want to work with any type of sparkle. Sometimes you just want a really nice muted matte eye. So the first shade that I went in with is the shade Happy Place, which is a really neutral beige shade, and I just used a fluffy blending brush and I just put that in my crease in back and forth motions just to act as the background shade before we go in with deeper eyeshadows. Next, I picked up this darker matte brown shade and I just put that directly over top where we applied the previous shade, and I'm just layering up my eyeshadows because that's how you get the most blended look. And I wanted to keep this look super light and natural, so I grabbed the shade Sunnies, which is this really beautiful orangey yellow matte shade, and I just applied this all over my eyelid. And as you guys can see, the crease is a little bit defined, but it's for the most part just a really smooth blended look. I just wanted it to be really effortless and natural. For lashes, I went in with our Sofie Bella lashes. If you guys haven't checked out our website, I'll always leave the link in the description box down below. The style that I went in with is the style BAHAMA, and it is a pretty dramatic lash, but I feel like it goes with every single eye look, and it just adds that girly, flirty effect, and it just takes your look to the next level. And I wanted to keep this look super natural, so I left the lower lash line bare, and all I did was I added some lower lash mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!